Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Yoshi from Hello Show and today we are making tandoori chicken. The easiest recipe to make if you have all the ingredients present near. Now first we'll need to prepare the marinade. For that we'll need to make a paste which will have some cloves of garlic, ginger, chillies, coriander and some water for easy mixing. Blend to form a paste and it will look something like this. Now in a big mixing bowl add in the paste and in goes half a cup of curd or yogurt. And then one by one add in some chilli powder, red Kashmiri mirch powder, coriander powder, mustard oil because the pungent smell of the oil adds in great deal of flavors. Now some mustard paste or sauce, in Bengali we call it kasundi. It's similar to Dijon mustard as some of you may relate. Some dried methi leaves, turmeric and now mix everything real good. Oh, and I forgot, add some garam masala as well. Here I've taken some chicken with bones because it tastes better. Come on! Coat the chicken so that the marinade seeps in good. Do the same with every piece and add one by one into the same bowl. I keep forgetting things, add in some salt as well or else your chicken will taste bland and you don't want that. Mix everything well and cover it up to pop in the fridge for 2 to 6 hours. Take out of the fridge when marination is done. Give it a mix again and keep it aside while you prepare your oven. Here I am greasing the tray well because it's important or else your chicken will stick to the tray and will cause a mess while you clean it later. Now one by one add in your chicken and coat every piece well with the marinade you made. This will now go in the oven for around 20 minutes. We need to keep checking and flipping sides every 7 to 8 minutes in this oven, so keep that in mind. When you feel your chicken is cooked thoroughly, transfer them in a wire mesh on top of any fire. I have my gas oven here, so I'm using that only. But if you're adventurous and you are going for a bonfire, that fire works as well. When you get your desired chaat texture, serve your chicken with some pickled onions, chaat masala, lime and any sauce of your choice. I took mustard here. Who else is hungry right now other than me? Okay, bye. That's all for today, and I am hungry, so I'm going to eat. I hope you loved the video. If you did, do like and subscribe. Click on the red button, press the bell icon, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.